you've ever browsed the skincare aisle, you'll know just how popular cleansers are. Most people consider them an essential part of their skincare routine. Now imagine if you could make one yourself. In fact, imagine making a cleansing oil that feels feather light on your skin, dissolves every trace of makeup, and transforms into a silky milk the moment it touches the water. And today I'm going to show you how to create a Camellia cleansing oil, a professional quality cleanser you can make yourself in just a few simple steps without any complicated equipment. We'll be working with 7 beautiful plants: Camellia, jojoba, strawberry, castor, bergamot, lavender, and clary sage. And we'll use them to create a skincare formulation that cleanses gently without stripping your skin. And because Camellia oil has been prized for centuries for its light, elegant feel, this is the kind of formulation that your skin will love. So whether you're making this for yourself or dreaming about creating your own skincare range, this cleanser is the perfect place to start. I'm Lorraine, the CEO of Formula Botanica, the world's leading online organic cosmetic formulation school, and I'm here to guide you step by step. So let's get started. First, let's get set up, and don't worry, you really don't need anything fancy. These are all simple, affordable tools you might already have or can easily pick up. So you'll need a set of scales for accurate measurements, and you can find one online for around about $10. Amazon stocks them, for instance. You'll need 2 glass beakers, or you can use any clean cups or jars. You'll need a glass stirring rod, or even just a spoon for mixing. You'll need pipettes to very precisely add your ingredients, but you can also just be careful in how you pour and weigh your ingredients if you don't have any pipettes. You'll need gloves, and you'll need an apron to keep yourself clean and safe. And finally, you'll need a clean pump bottle to package your finished cleanser. That's all there is to it. As long as your workspace is clean and your tools are sanitized, you are ready to go. No complicated equipment, just straightforward steps to help you create something truly professional at home. So let's make this beautiful cleanser together step by step so you can see how you could make it for yourself. Firstly, let's create our oil blend in the first beaker. Add 35 grams of jojoba oil. This is such a classic in skincare for good reason. It's technically a liquid wax which closely mimics the skin's own natural oils. And that means it's well tolerated, it's beautifully balancing, and it leaves the skin soft and nourished without feeling greasy or clogging pores. Next, we're going to add 30 grams of Camellia oil. This oil is truly special, with a rich heritage in Korean and Japanese skincare. It's packed with antioxidants and it feels incredibly lightweight. And historically, people prized it for giving skin a smooth, elegant feel. And it's perfect for a cleanser because it nourishes while rinsing away cleanly. Now we're adding 15 grams of strawberry seed oil. This is an upcycled ingredient pressed from seeds left over from the food industry, turning waste into beautiful skincare. This lightweight, silky oil adds a subtle, fresh feel to the cleanser. Now we're going to add 3.5 grams of castor oil. This oil is thick and sticky on its own, and it's fantastic in a cleanser. In fact, castor oil is well known for its cleansing power. It helps dissolve impurities and it lifts them from the skin, making sure your cleanser is really effective while still being gentle. Now we're going to add 0.3 grams of vitamin E. This rich, thick amber oil is a powerful antioxidant. It helps extend your cleanser's shelf life by protecting the oils from oxidizing, and it also supports skin barrier health. And then finally, let's add our essential oils. Firstly, we'll add 0.6 grams of bergamot essential oil. Then we'll add 0.4 grams of lavender essential oil. And finally, we'll add 0.2 grams of clary sage essential oil. And together they create a beautifully layered spa-like aroma. Bergamot gives a fresh citrus note, lavender is calming and soothing, and clary sage adds a subtle herbal depth. Once you've measured your oils and essential oils into the first beaker, give everything a gentle but thorough stir. Notice the colors, the viscosity, and that beautiful scent coming together. Now we're going to add 15 grams of polyglycerol 4 oleate to our second beaker. Now don't be put off by the name, it's not some scary chemical. It's a gentle plant-derived emulsifier made from glycerin and fatty acids. It's what gives this cleanser its magic. When it meets water, it transforms from a clear oil into a silky, milky emulsion. And that means it lifts away dirt and makeup effortlessly and rinses clean without leaving an oily film on your skin. You can buy this ingredient easily from cosmetic suppliers, even in small amounts, so it's accessible if you're making it just for yourself or to sell. We've linked to a few suppliers in our blog post below this video. Now it's time to combine the contents of the 2 beakers. Slowly pour the oil blend in the first beaker into your second beaker with the polyglycerol 4-oleate, stirring continuously. This careful combining ensures the emulsifier binds perfectly with the oils, giving you that gorgeous, clear final product that will magically turn milky when it meets water. And your cleanser is now ready to bottle. We've got a simple pump bottle here, and we're pouring our cleansing oil into it, and we're labeling it. And it's finished. Wasn't that satisfyingly easy to make? Simple, accessible, and yet so professional. By understanding each ingredient and what it brings to the formulation, you're not just following a recipe, you're learning how to truly formulate. So, should we try it out together? Let's take a little of our finished cleansing oil and dissolve it in some warm water. Watch as it transforms from a clear, glossy oil into a silky, milky emulsion right before your eyes. And as you can see, it effortlessly removes makeup. That's the power of our emulsifier at work, making sure it rinses cleanly while leaving your skin feeling soft, nourished, and never greasy. It's such a satisfying moment and proof of how professional this formulation really is. Remember, you don't just have to stop at making this for yourself. This is exactly the kind of product that people love to buy. Cleansers are an essential step in almost everyone's skincare routine. If you're thinking about starting your own brand, this formulation is the perfect place to begin. It's simple to make, customizable, and feels truly luxurious. Something you could be proud to share or sell. So thank you for joining me as we made this professional quality Camellia cleansing oil. Simple, nourishing, beautiful. It's also very clearly demonstrating that formulating your own skincare doesn't have to be complicated. So if you're ready to keep going, be sure to download the free PDF formulation guide on our blog, which is linked below. And if you want to take things further, join our free short formulation course at Formula Botanica. It's the perfect next step to get started with making your own skincare. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss a new video. And please share your own formulation journey with us in the comments. I'd love to see if you create this cleansing oil. Remember, everyone can formulate. We all begin with just one formulation. And once you see how easy it is, you'll realize how simple it can be to make more, or even share or sell them. Today, you've seen how easy it is to take that first step. So until next time, happy formulating.